Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Now I'll show you how to set up family link protection, parental control protection on your child's Motorola G51. So, at the very beginning you need to log out from any Google accounts on this device. So, go to settings, scroll down, choose accounts, log out from Google account. Cool. Now you need to log in to child's Google account. But if the child knows the password to his account, he will be able to bypass the parental control. So you either need to create a child's account for them that only you will know the password for, or ask the child to change their password to one that only you will know. So go settings again, scroll down, choose accounts, add account, and choose Google. Enter child's account email. Choose next. And type password. Now choose next. I agree. Accept. Fine. Now go back to settings. Scroll down and choose Google. Scroll down. Here you need to choose parental controls. Choose get started, child or teenager. Next. Wait a while. Next. Okay. Here you need to choose child's account. Then you need to sign in to your account, the parent account. So I will log into HardReset.Info 1. Now enter our parent password. Then choose next. Scroll down, and type child's password. Allow supervision. Cool. Choose next. Wait a while. More. Next. Scroll down, choose next. Skip. Go to home. Okay, and now on parent's phone you need to open PlayStore and find Family Link here. Open it and install. Cool, now open Family Link application. Now scroll down and choose Get Started. Fine, here you can see child's account. Open it and cool. Now you can manage this device, manage your child's Motorola device. You can log device, you can manage applications. For example, you can block any apps. For example, more, and I want to block TikTok, for example. So I need to find TikTok in this menu. Okay, TikTok, and tap on this clock button and choose block. Wait a while and see what happens. Wait, block, please. Okay. Okay, fine. TikTok was blocked. So, thank you for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you. Bye.